What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Good morning. Hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July. So today we're going to be talking about something that I know you guys want to figure out because it can be quite mysterious sometimes, right? And that's the Amazon Choice Badge. So how do I get it? Why do some people have it? Why do some people don't have it? And basically, it's actually something that's very procedural. Like, it's not something random. And what I'm gonna show you real quick is basically, so how it works is that the Amazon people get the Amazon Choice Badge because of people buy the product blindly, and basically that means they just add it to the cart. They don't actually click on the listing to look at it. They just add it to the cart automatically, and they purchase the product. And the main reason why I saw a lot of these listings like this one, and let me see here, like all these down here have these add to cart ones and maybe yours doesn't, is because these are purchased through Amazon Echo, which, if you guys don't know, that is the the Amazon device where you can just order products blindly on there. You'd be like, hey, I want to order essential oils, right? So they're going to be like, okay, I'm gonna order essential oils. So the device will order something like this, where it's very easy to just add to the cart, and they'll just purchase it for you. And through that, that's how people get the Amazon Choice badge on the side, is because of that. So now you're probably wondering, how exactly does this work? How can I start doing that? How can I start getting these blind sales for my product? And the best way that you guys can use it is use a super URL. So a super URL, I have it. I'm gonna link you guys this this Google Doc here. It's very step-by-step, very easy. Now it might take some time depending on how many units you'd have to sell, but by using this link, so basically all you have to do here is, you see this, all you have to do is put in your own ASIN. So I think I already have it. Yeah, so I already put it in. I already copy and paste that link into here, and all you have to do is take your ASIN. So let's say, I don't know, this is our product. Maybe you want to sell this. You just scroll down to the bottom, and you get your product's ASIN. I think I already, where'd it go? Stop. Alright, so you get the product's ASIN. Now, of course, should be your ASIN. And you're probably wondering, like, why can I not put the keyword? Why can't I, you're probably like, why can't I put in my own keywords that I want to rank for the Amazon Choice Award, or Amazon Choice Badge? So basically, Amazon, they rank your, with the Amazon's Choice, they say you have Amazon's Choice for a certain keyword. So for this one, maybe it'd be essential oils. Now, there's no way to directly specify what keyword you want to do this for the Amazon's Choice, but you can do it through Amazon PPC and doing Facebook ads, or you can actually talk to other people to buy your product. So all you have to do, so yeah, let's press enter here, and bam, there we go. So through this, you can use this URL, do it with Facebook ads, or when you're launching your product. Launching your product is probably the most effective way to do it. So if you're using Facebook ads and stuff, right, and you're doing the Facebook ads, just use that super URL to link them to your product. And the best way that you guys can start getting the ranking for, or not ranking for, to get the Amazon Choice Badge for certain keywords is just use Amazon PPC, right? Just use PPC. So if you want to rank or get the Choice Badge for essential oils keyword, run PPC for that essentials oils keyword, and then on top of that, of course, do the giveaways for the Facebook ads, and those two combined will help you get the Amazon's Choice Badge really quickly. Like, it's really simple. It just takes some time. You might have to get anywhere from, I don't know, 10 to 15 or 20 sales or so, but that should not be hard, especially if you're doing the giveaways. So let's see here. Yeah, if you're doing Zon Jump or Viral Launch, like I said, you can definitely do that. Now, if you're using viral launch, you can use a super URL for that. Just use Facebook ads as well, and then use Amazon PPC. So all those together. Honestly, I use ZonJump because it uses more outside traffic, and Amazon's algorithm apparently likes that way more than viral launch. And ZonJump is cheaper as well. It's like almost half as much. So the next thing is, of course, like I said, targeting specific keywords. It used to work with super URLs, but it doesn't seem to now. So that's why I said just use Amazon PPC. And also, when you don't have to worry about you getting in trouble if you're trying. Let's say you've already launched your product and you've already spent that money to launch it, right? You can actually talk to people, talk to 10 to 15 people and ask them to buy your product and tell them that you'll reimburse them, and then just give them that super URL, and then of course run the PPC with it, and you should be able to get the Amazon Choice Badge. There's tons of people that have done it on YouTube, and there's tons of people that have said they've gotten it in like a week or so. So that's definitely something that you guys should figure out. And now it should still work now, because if you look on YouTube, there's tons of other people that have the Amazon's Choice Badge as well. And they if you look at videos that have came out within like the past week or so, it still does work. So yeah, let me see here. So yeah, hopefully you guys understand that. So all you have to do is put in your ASIN right here, and then use this super URL when you're launching your product and when you're on Facebook, doing Facebook ads. So let me see here. So yeah, that's basically about it, guys. I don't want to make this video too drawn out, because it's very simple. Like it's step by step, right? And like I said, the best way that you guys can do this is do it during your product launch. Go here. Let me. Go on Facebook. I made a post on a certain group asking if super URLs for targeting keywords still works, but I just figured out that it doesn't. So you guys just have to use Amazon PPC, and go to groups, go to Elite Entrepreneurs or Amazon Freedom, and just ask people to do it for you if you've already done your Amazon, if you already done your product launch, because there's going to be people out there that'll do it for you. You don't have to worry about violating the terms of service, because it's not like we're asking for a review here. So, and one other thing too, guys, if you want to know exactly why you want the Amazon Choice Badge, so let me show you here. Let me give you an example. Let me back out over here. So, if you look at this product right here, right? This has the Amazon Choice Badge, and if you're scrolling through here, if you're a customer, let's say we're a customer, right? We go on this page, and we're just scrolling through here. Everything looks pretty similar, looks the same almost. And you see this right here for Amazon's Choice Badge for essential oils. Like, we see this product and we see the Amazon's Choice Badge. That means that's going to catch our attention, similarly to bestseller. And when people, if you think of yourself, like if you were a customer and you saw Amazon's Choice Badge, you were going to be like, okay, that makes it even more official. That makes it that makes me want to buy the product even more, because it seems like Amazon chose this product as something that's certain, like special. So that's another reason why we want to have this Amazon's Choice Badge, even if we don't get the exact keywords that we're getting the badge for, right? So it's definitely something that we want to get on our listing, just to look different from everybody else on the first page. And also the bestseller badge as well. I'm not really sure how to get that one. I'm sure there's videos out there, and if I figure it out myself, I'll make one for you guys on that too. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and make sure you like down below and subscribe and comment on what you want to see next. I come out with daily videos, and like I said, I'll have this Google Doc for you guys to know exactly what you have to do. Very simple. It just takes a little bit of time, And I also have different tutorials down below as well. I have a a free supplier template. I'm showing you exactly how to talk to suppliers, how to approach them, and negotiate. And also I have another template which talks about how to get started with Amazon step by step, 1 through 10. It's very it's easy because it's step by step, but of course you might run into different things on the way. But that's what I'm here for. So with that being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Peace.